We have Blanche Shares here by the bridge. I'm going to see if I can cast Darius line. See if we catch a fish. Go one time. I'm going to cast it and see if I can get a little fish or something. See if we'll catch some. Let's see how good we is to the people. Let's see how good we is.
We going?
Like right here. In this spot here. Get something there, like something like.
So guys, we got this fancy Grill Griddle and we're excited to cook on it because it has 2 sides.
Ari and I are going to cook breakfast on the flat side. Heat it up already.
So Darius is gonna crack the eggs. Breakfast on the beach, guys.
Not bad, Darius, not bad. We got a little leakage going over here, you know. Hey, I wanted to do a... Oh God, Darius, what did you do?
You burst it, you crack it, Darius. You want sunny side up, boy.
Don't let it go, boy.
Good job, Darius.
Can't wait for you, Darius, to flip those eggs. Those eggs, they're going to be hard to flip because we don't have a real good flipper. Mary, bring me a next plate, baby girl. We have a great gourmet breakfast here. Beautiful ocean. Good, isn't it? Cheers.
My hand's from color.
Now,
What you also have for breakfast here?
check it out. Eggs, sausage, spicy sausage, bacon, hash brown.
More eggs.
Breakfast of champions. I just see a big one swim by. I'm gonna get 2 big ones for supper for you tonight. That water looking crystal clear. You didn't see no fish in there?
No.
I saw a big one swim by, you know. How the heck am I gonna get in there?
Swim?
No matter how you slice it, I gotta get in there. They're gonna use that only yours to use the drone, huh?
Just be careful. It's so freaking perfect.
There's gonna be real trouble. It's just nothing but friggin' branches and crap.
So where you wanna go?
I don't know. Hang in there. I'll do my best. I'll tell you, that fish I saw swim by was big.
Let's go get a poke with the bamboo.
so grateful to have you for a wife. I saw lots of fish, but none big enough to shoot. The one that I did see that was big swim by, I never seen him again. But there's lots of little mangrove jacks there, you know.
Oh.
But they're too small. I wouldn't shoot them.
The water was clean?
Beautiful. And then what happens when you can't catch fish? You have to go to the grocery store and treat your wife to some beautiful tomahawk pork chops. If only my fishing skills were better, we wouldn't be eating pork chops. We'd be eating fresh fish.
Pork chops sound good though.
It's looking good.
Yeah. Good, and vegetables look real nice.
I tell you, I'm a gourmet chef. I gotta be something because I'm certainly not a gourmet fisherman. I mean, there's only me and you. We got a lot of vegetables here to eat. You know.
Don't worry. We have over these lovely pork.
And these beautiful potatoes. Look at them. A little salt on those potatoes.
Guys, I'm gonna try this pork chops, David. Oh, let me see how it tastes and it looks good, babes. But I think fish would have been better, yeah?
Always a critic, eh?
Just saying.
Always a critic.
Good job, babes. Good job, babes.
Mm-hmm.
Just some vegetables.
Almost as good as what you can do, eh?
No.
Vegetables good, eh?
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah. Surprisingly, the potatoes were really good too. Not surprisingly, because I love potatoes, but they were just like extraordinarily good.
Yeah, nice and crispy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, thank you for joining us. Please like and what is it?
So guys, thanks for joining us. Like, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification button. And we have to say, woohoo! We reached 1,000 plus subscribers. So thank you guys for all your love and support. We'll see you guys on the next one.